Minglava classrooms activity bona classroom activity so ye chanton alo bona chama lauda logo classroom activities lo ko ba no draw pictures ponswezi le work in groups ozurin lausonzi walk alone tayauda lauzi walk in pairs nayauda lauzi walk in pairs nayauda lauzi sometimes takatale so in tabema tauncha bona taunya tabema taunya aloto ko go lauda akat sometimes tompio ya bare no often machakana go bema tumala tabema naka lauda alogo often tombio pio ya bare no